guys, November 1st, 2022. This one here, I got a call from a customer. He's got an electric water heater. And it's not heating up.
Then take the first left.
Well, it might be something wrong with the elements or something like that. So we're gonna go over there. It's only like 10 years old. So, I'll probably swap the elements out or the control or something like that. We'll try to get some shots when I get over there, see what's going on with it. It's a little low boy. This is a 50 gallon, 47 gallon. I don't know, we'll have to take it apart and see what's going on with it. Never a dull moment, all I could say. Fucking Cobweb City down here. The only problem is you can't buy these anymore. You only can buy the ones with the heat pumps, and they're a lot higher. You can buy a 40 gallon like this, but not a 50. They stopped. They only make the heat pump ones now. So, I don't know. The reset button's not tripped. Reset button's not tripped. You see it there? What the hell this plastic thing is here? Kind of weird. There's any power to this thing. See if there's any power. Non-contact voltage. I got power there. Nothing. Don't have 220 coming in. That's our problem. Don't have 220 coming in. What do we got there? 110 on that leg. 110 on that leg. We don't have 220. Something's queer. Something's queer. Alright, we're gonna go find out what's going on with the panel. Something to do. This is definitely a 220 unit. We don't have 220 coming in. I got 110, not even. Something's up with the electrical. It's kind of weird. Take this panel off and see what's going on with it. Which one is the... I'm gonna shut off the... That should be the water heater. That one should be the water heater there. I got 220 now. Should work now. Unless we got a broken wire there, I doubt it. It's kind of. Alright, let's see if we got 220 here. I don't hear it making any noise. So something's a little queer. Let's see if we got 220. Nope, we still don't have 220. Something's weird. We should be having, we don't have 220 coming down here, so I don't know. We're gonna need to call an electrician, chase these wires out. Not my job. Well, should have 220 right there, and we don't have it, so. Got my shit. Got my shit here. That seems okay. That one seems okay. Yeah, we don't have it. That's DC. Yeah, we don't have the right voltage. Something's queer. Something's weird. Don't have the proper voltage. We're gonna need to call an electrician to find out why. I got 220 coming down here from the panel, so it's probably in the wire somewhere. Broken. Very odd. Yeah, so he's got an electrical issue coming into this thing. And I'm not an electrician, so legally I can't start chasing the wires, and I don't have the license, so I don't do it. Unfortunately. That's one license I don't have, is electrical license in my state. I don't need it. So for some reason, there's no 220 coming to this water heater. Alright guys, I just left that job. I gave him an electrician's number. I really can't, I'm not a licensed electrician, so I can't run wires, and if something happens in the house, my insurance won't cover it, right? So I stick to what I'm licensed to do, and what I'm not licensed to do, I can't do it legally. So I'm not stupid. I'm not going to do something and get in trouble for it. So he's got a problem. He's got 220 coming out of the breaker, but he's got no 220 going to the water heater. So I did call the guy and I gave him the information. He's got some 5-inch filters also on the air handler there. He's gonna have to get some. He supposedly had some there, but he didn't. So I called him back with the sizes, and he's gonna get half a dozen of them, or 4 of them, and change them in the spring. But anyway, that's the deal there. Move on to the next job.